Hey everybody, this is YaYa, and I want to welcome you back to day 11 in our 14-day easy beginner watercolor challenge. Today, there's going to be no rinsing your brush between colors. I know it kind of challenged me a little bit too, thinking, what on earth am I going to do? So let's live dangerously and see what beautiful surprises happen when colors mingle on the brush. Messy, maybe, gorgeous. I like the way it turned out. So as you'll notice, I drew the branches in pencil first to make it a little easier to do my sketch. And then I moved the colors that I wanted to use to my palette from lighter to darker. And from there, I never washed my brush. I started with the lights and I moved to the darkness. So I had a lot of fun with this challenge, and the result even surprised me as it turned out better than I was expecting. So you know me though by now, and I just couldn't resist adding ink to the painting. So here's what a picture of the final painting looked like. Who knew a dirty brush could look this good? Not me. So embrace the chaos. It's pure watercolor magic. Day 12, here we come.